go ahead and find a comfortable spot, sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through the nose, feeling your body awaken. Feeling your body fill up. And just letting your breath drift in and out at your own unique pace. Centering, finding stillness, connecting inward. And on the next inhalation, bring the breath into your heart space. On the inhale, feel your chest rise. And on the exhale, feel it drop, feel your stomach expand. And just breathe into this area. Do this about 5 or 6 times. Feeling your heart open, feeling it soften, feeling your ability to love, to give love, to receive love, feeling that soften. Feeling love flowing out your heart and over your entire body. Drifting down your arms, over your hands, down your chest, your stomach, over your hips, down your legs and knees, expanding around your feet, until you're just inside a giant love bubble. Love all around you, surrounding you. And just take a second to experience, what does this feel like to you? Does it feel like you're surrounded with light? Do you feel soft? Do you feel safe? Just notice. Experience this feeling of love, of self-love. And when you're ready, begin to make little movements in your toes, your fingers, your eyes. Maybe roll your head around your shoulders, roll your neck, shake your shoulders, and just slowly bring yourself back to the here and now, but with a new awareness, a newfound love that you can take into your life and carry with you throughout the day. And remember that you can return to this meditation or to this feeling anytime. Namaste.